Hey friends, if Windows is stuck at the login screen after an upgrade and it looks something like this, you're not able to log in, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is a hard reboot. Okay, and how do we perform a hard reboot? Press the power button for let's say 20 seconds, and maybe it will shut down, maybe it will restart. If it shut downs, then you know how to restart it. Press the power button once. The next one is to discharge the capacitors. So switch off your computer using that power button itself. Once it is switched off, now if you press it once, it will switch on the computer, it will turn the power on. But if you press it continuously for 30 to 40 seconds, it will discharge the capacitors. However, before you do that, remove any power source including the power cable and battery. The last option is a clean install. Okay, and how do we clean install the system? So you will have to contact a person who has the bootable USB drive to clean install your system, and you need to use the same version, otherwise the license will be invalid. You better ask a hardware technician for this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.